Hey again, Fran here with Suncoast Property Management. Today I'm covering what the residence benefits package is for all of our residents that join us. We want our residents to thrive with us, not just stay with us. So that's why we invented the RBP program as a one-stop shop for all of your needs. The first one is the filter delivery service, where we bring your AC filter to your door once a month. The next one is the renter's insurance program. So it just covers your belongings and the roof, of course, over your head the time that you're renting with us, and your credit building opportunity. Next, we have on-demand pest control. So when you need any pest issues, you just contact us, or you can actually use your online portal, which is my next point here. If you need to submit a maintenance request or take care of any balance dues, you have your online portal. And lastly, we have your 24/7 maintenance coordination. Again, you can use that online portal to submit any emergencies as well, or you can call the hotline.